In this video, you will learn how to prepare 100 ppm solution of any solute.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Source of Skills. Please like and subscribe our channel for informative videos.
The required apparatus and chemicals include a solute, a spatula, distilled water in a beaker, a weight balance, a weighting paper, volumetric flask of 1000 ml, and a funnel. Let's do some calculations. For making the solution, we have to find out the mass of solute and mass of solvent. So the formula of ppm is equal to mass of solute divided by mass of solvent multiplied by 10 raised to power 6. So we have 100 ppms. For that we have to find out the mass of solute. But first of all, let's find out the mass of solvent of 1000 milliliters. Let's find out mass of solvent. In this case, we are using distilled water as a solvent. Now take a weight balance and power it on. Now put volumetric flask on it and tear it down. Now start adding distilled water into this volumetric flask. Fill it up to the 1000 milliliter point. Now you have get 1000 grams of solvent. Now rearrange the formula. We get mass of solute is equal to ppm multiplied by mass of solvent divided by 10 raised to power 6. We have 100 ppms and 1000 grams of solvent. 1 ppm is equal to 1 milligram and 100 ppm is equal to 100 milligrams. Now change the unit. On the other hand, 1000 gram is equal to 10 raised to power 6 milligrams. After cutting and calculation, we get mass of solute as 100 milligrams. Let's start our preparation. First of all, take a weight balance and power it on. Put weighting paper on it and tear it down. Now start adding solute onto the weighting paper with the help of spatula. You have to measure the solute up to 100 milligrams. Now put this 100 milligrams into the distilled water in volumetric flask. Please add the solute into the distilled water with the help of a funnel. After adding solute, close the volumetric flask and shake it well, because after shaking you will get a homogeneous mixture of 100 ppm solution of any solute. Thank you so much for watching our video.